Hello, Ashwin.
Hi.
Happy New Year. And I'd like to wish all our viewers a Happy New Year and welcome back to our channel, where we talk to you, the trading expert, on tips on how to make a profit in the markets. So I'd like to talk to you about Malaysia today. And let me tell you what's happening in my country. Malaysia will start limiting subsidies on the most commonly used variety of gasoline to only the most needy from the second half of this year. Okay. As subsidies are costing the government 17 billion US dollars per year. Okay. This will cause price pressures to increase, as so far we have been cushioned by blanket subsidies, right? Now, Malaysia's ringgit has weakened close to 6% against the US dollar in 2023, making it the second worst performing currency in Asia after the Japanese yen. Now, Malaysia's public finances have run a fiscal deficit of more than 5% for 3 consecutive years. Restoring fiscal health is key for Malaysia to retain emerging Southeast Asia's highest credit score, as investors are attracted to high US interest rates and they have ditched emerging market assets. Our Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim has revealed that Malaysia's debt and liabilities stood at a whopping 1.5 trillion ringgit, or 82% of GDP. Now, that is something, isn't it? But
Yes.
the one piece of good news, Ashwin, according to Bloomberg,
Yes.
the survey, Bank Negara Malaysia will maintain the overnight policy rate at 3% for at least the rest of this year. Now,
That is
Malaysian
good news. That is good news.
yeah, silver lining.
Yeah.
Malaysian policymakers are confronted with a persistent weakness in the local currency. At the same time, a recent survey showed a rising dissatisfaction with the government's handling of the economy, dragging down Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim's approval rating. And as I speak, my heart bleeds because I don't see, and I'm curious to know how you can make money from this kind of a situation, Ashwin.
Well, let me be clear, Tessie. Thank you so much for letting me speak on this video. I don't want to talk about politics. I want to talk about making money. My passion is to make money for Malaysians. I don't want to talk about politics. I will not talk about politics. Now, due to time constraints on this video, the biggest theme in 2024, okay, is artificial intelligence. There are sub-themes, of course, but due to time constraints, we're going to focus on the biggest one. And if you'd like to hear, you can contact us. Now, Goldman Sachs predicts that generative AI will raise global GDP, listen to this, by 7 billion US dollars. And it estimates that by 2033, Tessie, capital investment in AI could total 200 billion US dollars, with the potential for over 1.5 trillion to flow into AI by the same year. Now, I haven't finished yet. UBS has lifted its revenue forecast for AI by 40%. UBS expects revenues to grow by 15 times, okay, from 28 billion in 2022 to 420 billion by 2027. Now, this is truly the opportunity of a lifetime, Jessie.
I'm looking at all these numbers and they seem so inviting and they seem like beckoning, like, wow, you got to do this, you got to do this. But Ashwin, tell us, why would we need to work with you? What are the benefits of working with you as compared to working with a bank?
I love that question, Tessie. Thank you so much for bringing that up. Number one, a bank will ask you in Malaysia for investing, my guess, at least a million ringgit, at least, if not 3 million ringgit. And not everybody has got that kind of money. Okay. So in our case, if you work with us, we look at a minimum amount of just 100,000 US dollars.
Right.
Okay. So what can you do with that? With that amount of investing, which is in your account, in your own name, nothing to do with us. You open your account in your own name at a broker that we will give you the details for. And we have our own algorithm, okay, that is backed by ChatGPT Turbo 4. We are now having a double layer of analysis. We have access to that. And in the background, our algorithm system is scanning the market 24/7 while you sleep for trading ideas. Okay. And all this clearly puts us ahead of everyone else. And I like to boast at this juncture. Last year, our private clients made an average of 82%. Okay.
Of yield upon investment.
Under the background, I'm so excited. Last year, our private clients made a net profit of 82% on our trades.
You mean per trade or against
AUM?
82%
total profit, 82% on the average. Okay, for the whole year, not per trade. And since you mentioned per trade, during the whole year, our average profit per trade is 25 to 30%. So actually,
so they made 80% against the AUM.
It's all about accounting. Some people don't like to talk about per trade. They say it's exaggerated. So let me clarify. If you talk about per trade, it's 25 to 30%. If you talk about average on the whole as a year, 82%.
Wow.
Depends how you want to calculate.
I think it's very tempting, Ashwin, because our ringgit is worsening and interest rates are high and fiscal health is like that. And
let me put it another way to sign off, Tessie.
Yeah.
The AI revolution is in America and in Europe. In Malaysia, you will not get such profits because we don't have AI companies.
Right. So with whatever monies that we have, you are suggesting that we put them in AI and we sign up with you by opening an account with a broker.
Yes. And that account, I stress, will be in your name and you have control over it.
Okay. And I'm sure that the viewers...
We will give you the ideas of what to do.
Right. I'm sure the viewers want to talk more with you. So how do we contact you about this?
You can contact us at bit.ly/algotrader, which will lead to our WhatsApp channel, and we can talk. We can talk to you in details there.
Right. Thank you so much, Ashwin.
Thank you.